Stop struggling with complicated wiring diagrams, splicing into your vehicle's factory taillight cables, or paying hundreds of dollars for a professional mechanic just to install a rear-view safety lens. Welcome back. If you want to instantly eliminate blind spots on your trailer, truck, or camper van with zero mechanical stress, this 1080p HD wireless magnetic solar backup camera system is your ultimate towing and parking breakthrough of 2026. This isn't an ordinary backup camera that ties up your Saturday afternoon with drilling, routing, and cable tucking. It is a completely standalone, zero-friction wireless safety shield. The absolute showstopper feature of this system is its 1-minute toolless installation powered by a heavy-duty magnetic base and a scratch-proof solar charging pad. The camera assembly is completely self-sufficient. It locks firmly onto any steel surface of your tailgate, bumper, or trailer wall via an ultra-strong rare earth magnet that stays locked in place even through heavy highway vibrations, while a protective anti-scratch backing keeps your paint pristine. Backed by a high-efficiency solar panel, the internal battery constantly trickles to life under the sun, delivering a massive, self-sustaining 24-hour continuous runtime without a single trailing power line. What makes this package a mandatory safety upgrade for truckers, RVers, and SUV drivers in 2026 is its rock-solid signal stability and crystal-clear display matrix. The kit comes equipped with a massive 7-inch anti-glare dash monitor that pulls a lag-free, high-definition 1080p wireless feed straight from the rear lens, ensuring you see obstacles, pedestrians, and tight dock clearances perfectly even in blinding midday sun. Engineered to handle brutal weather and deep midnight parking layouts, the camera boasts a rugged, fully weatherproof shell paired with advanced infrared night vision and WDR image processing. It fires a crisp, high-contrast beam through pitch-black darkness to accurately reveal hitch lines and hidden hazards. Complete with customizable on-screen parking guidelines, a wide horizontal viewing angle to monitor multiple lanes of traffic, and a robust digital signal that effortlessly cuts through structural metal interference up to long ranges. It redefines what a true plug-and-play automotive safety layout can be. Click the link below for the best price and upgrade your towing visibility in less than a minute today. If this breakdown helped you secure the ultimate wire-free backup camera setup for 2026, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the smart, high-yield automotive tech that simplifies your life on the road. See you in the next one.